Did you know that your body has a built-in self-cleaning process called autophagy? It can burn fat, fight cancer, and repair damaged cells naturally. But here's the secret. You can supercharge this process with the right foods. Today, we'll explore 7 incredible foods that not only support autophagy, but also help you feel and look your best. Stay with us till the end for a free guide to incorporating these foods into your daily routine. Let's dive into the first superfood. It's a delicious and versatile option that you'll love. Avocado is more than just a trendy superfood. It's a powerhouse of healthy fats and nutrients that can transform your health. These healthy fats help suppress hunger hormones, promote autophagy, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Did you know that avocados are also rich in potassium, a vital mineral that supports heart health and balances electrolytes? This makes them an ideal choice for breaking a fast or starting your day with sustained energy. To maximize the benefits, pair avocado with probiotic-rich foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. These combinations boost gut health and enhance your body's ability to detox and repair cells. And here's a tip. If you're tired of eating avocado on toast, try incorporating it into smoothies, salads, or even desserts. Yes, desserts. A simple avocado chocolate mousse is both delicious and healthy. Have you ever thought about how versatile this fruit is? Stay tuned because the next food on our list is a surprising treat that's just as powerful for your health. Up next, a sweet treat that doubles as a powerful tool for cellular repair. Can you guess what it is? Dark chocolate, made from cacao, is more than just a sweet treat. It's a powerful superfood that supports autophagy, especially in liver cells. Cacao is packed with antioxidants called flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress, improve heart health, and enhance your body's natural detox processes. For maximum benefits, choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. Avoid chocolate with added sugar or milk, as these can reduce its positive effects. Here's a tip. Incorporate dark chocolate into your diet by making cacao smoothies or sprinkling cacao nibs on your morning oatmeal. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also fuels your body with powerful nutrients. What's your favorite way to enjoy dark chocolate? Share your ideas in the comments, and don't miss the next food. It's a drink that can work wonders for your body. Let's move to the next food, a drink that's not only refreshing, but also great for your liver and heart. Did you know that your morning coffee does more than wake you up? Coffee, especially when consumed black, can stimulate autophagy in the liver, muscles, and heart tissues. Studies have shown that caffeine helps improve fat metabolism and promotes cellular repair by activating certain proteins involved in autophagy. For the best results, choose organic, mold-free coffee. Avoid adding cream or sugar, as these can disrupt the fasting state and reduce autophagy benefits. Instead, try adding MCT oil or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a health boost. Here's a tip. If you're sensitive to caffeine, opt for decaf coffee made with the Swiss water process. It retains the health benefits without the jittery side effects. How do you take your coffee? Share your favorite recipes in the comments below, and stick around because the next superfood is a green drink that's loved worldwide for its health benefits. Green tea has been celebrated for centuries, and it's no surprise why. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea is a powerful drink that boosts autophagy, detoxifies your liver, and protects your heart. Studies have shown that EGCG, a key compound in green tea, helps eliminate damaged cells and supports fat metabolism. This makes green tea the perfect drink during your fasting window. To get the most out of green tea, brew it fresh at the right temperature, about 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve its antioxidants. Avoid adding sugar or milk to keep it pure and effective. Here's a fun twist. Try adding a slice of lemon or a dash of cinnamon to your green tea for an extra boost of flavor and health benefits. What's your favorite way to drink green tea? Share your tips in the comments below and stick around because the next superfood is an oil that's a staple in kitchens worldwide. Olive oil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a liquid gold for your health. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants, Olive oil is one of the best oils for boosting autophagy and reducing inflammation in your body. Research shows that extra virgin olive oil can improve brain health, protect your heart, and even support liver detoxification. It's also been linked to reducing risks of chronic diseases like Alzheimer's and type 2 diabetes. For maximum benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed, inorganic. Use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or simply take a tablespoon daily to kickstart your day. And here's a tip. Avoid heating olive oil to high temperatures, as this can break down its nutrients. Instead, use it fresh to retain its full health benefits. Do you use olive oil in your cooking? What's your favorite recipe? Share your thoughts below and stick around because the next food is a golden spice with incredible healing properties. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, is celebrated worldwide for its incredible healing properties. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that supports autophagy and promotes cellular repair. Research shows that curcumin helps reduce inflammation, prevent chronic diseases, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. When combined with black pepper, its absorption is enhanced by up to 2,000%, making it even more effective. Incorporate turmeric into your daily routine by adding it to soups, smoothies, or making golden milk, a traditional drink with turmeric, milk, and a pinch of black pepper. If you've never tried turmeric before, now's the time. How do you plan to include this golden spice in your diet? Share your ideas in the comments and stay tuned for the final superfood that's essential for your body's recovery and repair. Water is essential for life, and it's also a key player in supporting autophagy and detoxifying your body. Proper hydration ensures your liver, kidneys, and cells work at their best. Did you know that drinking water first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and even improve mental clarity? For optimal benefits, aim for at least 8 cups of water daily and consider adding a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves for extra detox benefits. Herbal infusions like cucumber water or ginger tea are also great alternatives to keep you hydrated and healthy. What's your favorite way to stay hydrated? Share your tips in the comments below, and don't miss the final wrap-up where we'll tie everything together with a special gift just for you. Meet Jane, a 42-year-old mother who struggled with constant fatigue, weight gain, and low energy due to a fatty liver. Like many of us, her lifestyle included processed foods, sugary drinks, and minimal exercise. But Jane decided to take control. She started by incorporating the 7 superfoods we discussed, along with intermittent fasting. Within just 2 months, Jane lost 10 pounds, her liver health improved dramatically, and she regained her energy and confidence. Her story proves that simple, natural changes can lead to incredible transformations. And the best part? You can do it too. If Jane can take the first step, why not you? Let's quickly recap everything we've learned today to help you get started on your journey. Today, we've explored 7 incredible foods that can supercharge your body's autophagy, burn fat, and fight cancer. These foods are simple, natural, and easy to add to your daily meals. Start incorporating them today to feel and look your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And here's something special for you. Download your free 7-day meal plan in the description below. It's packed with recipes and tips to make these superfoods a regular part of your diet. Which of these foods is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't miss our next video, where we'll dive into how to combine these foods with intermittent fasting for even greater results. See you next time on YouTube.